Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here in Marshall's and the first thing I see are these nice pillows right here. You get 2 sets of pillows for $24.99. They still have this bench here. Let's see, and I see some pinks back here as well. They still have those 2 pink chairs, $99 for those. And I love this 3-piece comforter set right here. It has a little beads. Not sure the price of that. They have these 2 pillows right here in brown. $19.99 for those. Those are really nice. And they have these 2 little nightstands right here. $59.99 for those. $19.99 for that pillow. And they have some items back here. Back here in the back, it looks like drawer pulls. You get a total of 6. And they have different ones, a set of 8. Those are really pretty. $7.99 for those. And these right here, look how pretty those are. $4.99 for those. And they have some Ray Dunn bath collections right here. They have towels and more. This little 3-tier, $59.99 for those. And this is what it looks like here, if you couldn't see that one. Alright, so on this little section right here, they have Love for All. And they have a lot of nice things on here. So they have some Rachel Zoe little bracelets right here. And they have the little butterfly on those. These are $22. I also see one that says Love. Let me pick that up so you can take a look at it. It says Love there, $14.99. Those are really pretty. They have some Betsy Johnson little heart earrings right here, $12.99 for those. They have some True to the Form. They have these beautiful silver earrings right here, $14. They also have it in gold. Be Mine, Ray Dunn. They have this True to the Form necklace here, $14.99. And they have some Juicy Couture bags down here. These bags are going for, well, the original price is $99, but they are going for $34.99. That's what it looks like. And they also have that black one there with the roses. These 2 mugs right here. So these are actually 2 candles. I do apologize. $12.99 for those. And they have this one right here. Be Mine in Love. And they have this nice jewelry box down here by Ray Dunn. Very nice. Alright, so a little Irish for you guys here. They have a lot of nice Irish items. Look at this right here. Bless the family before us, the family beside us, and the love between us. Very nice. $6.99. And if you can see those, they have a set of 4 placemats right there in green. $7.99 for those. They have the green truck here with a little guy on the back. $24.99. I'm Irish, $5.99. And look at him. He has his pot of gold and his little beer mug. He's having a good time. $19.99 for those. Look how nice this little house is. This little Irish pub. Very nice. $19.99. They have some nice little bowls here for $4.99. This little kettle here, $12.99 for that. They have 2 stemless wine glasses here with Snoopy. They have some Easter items mixed in. The little spoon rest right here with a little Easter bunny. $4.99 for that. Eat, drink, and be Irish. nice. Some more of the bowls. And they have a little house back here. I think it's the same one. Yes, the same one as before. Very nice. A set of 4 plates right here. $7.99. Alright, so on this little middle table right here, they have a few Easter items here. Look at this right here. These little bunnies. $12.99. They have the little gnomes here. The little Easter gnomes. $7.99 for him. All of these are $7.99. We have this set of eggs right here. $6.99 for those. And look how beautiful this is right here, if you guys can see that. $7.99. It comes with a vase and the egg. That gnome right there, not sure his price. He's really big, so I'm not going to pick him up. And in this little basket right here, they have this mug right here that says love. They have the spoon rest right there with the Easter bunny. $3.99. And they have a lot of these different color bunnies right here. You can see that. These, $5.99. I'm going to put him right here so I can pick this guy up. I don't want to have any accidents. Alright. Alright, so, but they have a lot of Easter items here. And what is this right here? You have this with a little spoon that says happy. $7.99. They have this Easter egg right here for $5.99. A lot of gnomes, guys, they have. What are these right here? These are the door and window draft guards here with a little bunny on the end. Those are really pretty. And look at these right here. They have these right here in silver and gold. Very nice. These are $14.99. We have this little Easter container of Easter eggs here. $6.99 for those. Okay, so as you can see, they have a lot of nice Easter wreaths here. Let me step back so you can see that. And the price of that is going for $16.99. And I don't know if I showed you the little basket with the bunnies. We have that. That up there. And they have a lot of nice little baskets here. This basket right here. They have 2 there at the bottom. And they have more eggs here. $6.99 for those. This little gnome right here. I think I showed you this one earlier. But I love this love mug right here. Very nice. Alright, so they have a lot of mugs here. But first I want to show you these little tumblers up here. This one says happiness. $4.99 for those. Sorry, not sorry. I love this one right here. You are capable of amazing things. Be still and know. These are all $3.99. Mugs. They have one with mother, the noun. Dad, husband, teacher. They have a lot of nice, cute mugs here. And I'm going to take you to this little end cap right here. But they have a lot of little wall decors or table decors up here. You can do this. Faith makes all things possible. Always be mine. Be your own kind of beautiful. $5.99. Stay positive, work hard, make it happen. And they still have these little boxes right here with the little different sayings on each side. $3.99 for those. And I also see a turquoise one. Good vibes only, don't give up. Alright, so I love this velvet chair right here. I think it's black or blue. It looks like it's a dark blue. But these chairs are $39.99. I only see 2 of these. There's that one, but in the camera it looks like it's a dark blue. They have this wooden 3-tier. It's very nice. $39.99. And they have a lot of baskets for some reason. I'm seeing a lot of the different baskets right here. Let's see, this one right here, the smaller one, is $9.99. But they have a lot of those. They also have a lot of laundry hampers. Over here, they have a lot of yellows, more of the drawer pullers. You get a set of 8. Look at these right here. This is a set of 6. Very nice pillows. Alright, so on this end cap right here, they have some more Easter items here. They have this little wooden bunny. $4.99. This little black one right here, $7.99. They have this little family. And how cute is this right here? This says Easter. They have these Cynthia Raleigh photo frames here for $5.99. There's a green bunny there. I also see a pink one up there for $9.99. They have a lot of the Easter eggs right here. The little bunnies on them. Very nice. Here's a pink and white one here. Here's some bunnies right here. Very cute. $7.99 for that. $4.99 for that. And they have some very nice vases up here, as you can see, for $7.99. Here's some blue and white bunnies and the blue and white eggs. Very nice. And look how cute that little turtle is down there at the bottom. Alright guys, so I'm loving everything right here on this little side right here. This end table right here. This is very nice. I love this. And it is $79.99 if I'm not mistaken. Yes. They have this right here. This could be used for so many things. $149.99. And they have these right here, which are $79.99 for that. And I even love the photo frames. Handcrafted in India. And Cynthia Crowley, which I showed you that one earlier. Well, let me just go around here and let you see what it looks like. And right here, they have some more of the little small tables. Very nice. Alright, so they do have some Easter pillows right here. This is a set of 2, $19.99. I love the bunnies on there. They have that one right there. Let's see, love. Let's see. It says love. And there's another one back, unknown one back there. I'm not sure the prices of these, but they're very nice. This one right here, you can see that. $16.99 for that. And they have the bunny one right here. Let's see, I'm not sure that price of that one. $14.99. But they have some nice pillows for Easter. If you can see those. Let me step back a little bit. Very nice. Alright guys, so I just wanted to pop into Marshall's to see what they had to offer. I'm in their pillow section right now. But I do want to thank you guys so much for stopping by my channel today. If you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. My name is Miss Queen Bee. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, share, comment, and like. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get alerts each and every time I upload. Thank you guys so much for stopping by my channel today. And I hope to see you guys again real soon. Bye, guys. As you can see, they have a lot of nice things in here. Room sprays. I am so fascinated by the drawer pulls right there. And they're very reasonable. I love that little footstool right there. Very nice. Alright guys, I'm out of here. Thanks so much for watching.